Hello kids, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss about the abacus. So as a whole, this is called abacus. इसको हम abacus बोलते हैं. Okay, and this abacus has two parts, the lower part and as well as the upper part. You can see this is the line in between the abacus. This is called divider. This is called divider or the beam. B-E-A-M, beam. And this divider divides the abacus into the two parts, the lower part and as well as the upper part. Just like we live in the apartment and we have the floors, ground floor, first floor, top floor. Similarly, this abacus has the two floors, the lower floor and as well as the upper floor. Now, if I talk about this abacus, if no one bead is touching the beam, okay, can you see these yellow color pearls, right, on the abacus? So these are the beads. Okay, these are the beads, and the beads which are the upside of the beam, these are the upper beads, and the beads which are the lower side of the beam, these are the lower beads. It means जो ऊपर वाली है इनको हम बोलते हैं upper beads और जो नीचे वाली beads है इनको हम बच्चा बोलते हैं lower beads. Clear? The beads which are the upside of the beam, those are the upper beads, और जो beads नीचे हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Lower beads, right? So these are the lower beads and these are the upper beads. Now, just like in the calculator always starts with the 0. Whenever we on the calculator, it starts with the 0. Similarly, this abacus starts with the 0. Why? If no one bead is touching the beam, okay, this is the beam. If no one bead is touching the beam, presently some beads are touching the beam, it means it has some value. But if no one bead is touching the beam, it means it has the value of 0. So now I will tell you about how can we represent the numbers on the abacus. ठीक है, हम numbers को कैसे represent कर सकते हैं abacus पर. So this is my ones place, right? Why this is my ones place? Because this is the center place of the abacus. So I will call it as a unit place or the ones place. So each lower bead has the value of 1. Just like we have in India we have the rupee, in the UK we have the pounds, in the USA we have the dollars. So this is the just like 1 rupee, 1 pound or the $1. So when it goes up and touches the beam, it has the value of 1, right bacha? This is the value of 1. Similarly, as I told you that each lower bead has the value of 1. हर एक lower bead की value है 1. So when it goes up another bead, it means it has the value of 2, right bacha? Now you tell me, if I want to make the position of 3, so how can we make it 3? Right, so I have to add another bead ऊपर, right bacha? One more time, see each lower bead has the value of 1, so this is 1, 2, 3, good. So for example, if I want to take 4 pounds or the $4 from my parents and they have only 1 rupee or 1 pound or the $1 coin, so how many coins should I take? 4, right? So if I want to make the position of 4, I will do one more bead up. Clear बच्चा? Very good. But एक बार फिर से देखेंगे very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, because each bead has the value of 1. Now, if I want to make the 5, but what I can see that there is no more bead, okay? Because after 4 it comes 5, but there is no more bead. But remember, we have the upper bead also. So now back to the currency, we have the 1 rupee coin and as well as the 5 rupee coin. Similarly, we have the 1 pound coin and as well as the 5 pound note. Similarly, we have $1 coin and as well as the $5 coin or the note, right? So this upper bead has the value of 5. It alone contains the value of 5. This is the note of 5 rupee, $5 or 5 pounds. So if I want to make the position of 5, what I need to do, in सारी beads को I will pull down. I will pull all the lower beads down. और ये जो upper bead है, इसको मैं कर दूंगा नीचे. Okay, I will pull the upper bead down and it has the value of 5, right? It has the value of 5. एक बार फिर से बच्चा, each lower bead has the value of 1, but this upper bead has the value of 5, right बच्चा? Perfect. So this is 5, and what comes after 5? 6. So if I want to make the position of 6, I will add another 1. So this is 5 and then 6. Similarly, if I want to make the position of 7, I will add another 1. So this is 5, 6 and 7. Now what comes after 7? 8. Very good. What comes after 7? 8. Good one. So this is 5, 6, 7 and then I will add another beat. So that will become 8. Now what comes after 8? 9. Perfect. So I will add another one beat. Okay. So this is 9. Okay. Quickly let's play small quiz. I will show you some numbers. You just need to tell me those numbers. Okay. Okay. I start with this. Okay, bacha. Tell me which number is this? Perfect. 2. Which number is this? 3. Very good. Perfect. Yes. Now tell me which number is this? 4. Very good. This is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, yes. Now tell me which number is this? This is the upper beat. Remember? And upper beat has some different value, right? Perfect. So this is 5. Yes. Which number is this? 6. 7. 8. And then finally 9. Very good. Perfect. So this is 9. Now tell me one thing. What comes after 9? 10. So, and how we write 10? We write 10, 1 and 0. 1 on the tens place and then 0. See, this is my ones place and left side of the ones place always it comes tens place. As we write 10 in our notebook, so usme what we write? 1 and 0. Similarly, this is my ones place and next to it this is my tens place. So I will make 1 over there and nothing should be here. As I told you earlier, if no one bead is touching the beam, it means it has the value of 0. So this is 1 and 0. That makes 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now what comes after 10? Perfect. 11. So how we write 11 in our notebook? Write it in your notebook right now. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So 1, 1, 11. I will make 1 here and 1 here. That makes 12. 1, 1, 11, right? 1 and 1, 11. Now, I am adding another bead over there. That makes 12. This is 1 and 2. 1, 2, 12. Then 13 and then 14. Okay? One more time. This is 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13 and 1, 4, 14. Perfect? Fine. Now can you tell me how can I make 15? Okay, try yourself. Okay? How can we make 15? Done? Okay. So this upper bead has the value of 5. Remember I have told you earlier. So this upper bead has the value of 5. So what should I do now? I will down all the beads from the bottom and I will down the upper bead down. So that will become 15. 1, 5, 15. Okay, one more time. This is 1 on my tens place and 5 on the ones place, which makes 1, 5, 15. Now what come after 15? Perfect. 16. So if I want to make the position of 16, what should I do? This is, as I told you, this is 1 on the tens place, right? And 5 on the ones place, and then I am again adding 1 in the 5, which makes 6. So this is 1, 6, 16. Okay? We have to count separately from the top to bottom. Okay? These are the rods. These are the sticks. So these are the rods. So on the tens place I have only 1, and on the tens place I have the 1. And on the ones place I have the 6. So that makes 1, 6, 16. Similarly 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18 and 1, 9, 19. एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. We will see one more time from the 10. See, this is my ones place. So if I want to make the position of 10, there should be 1 on the tens place and 0 should be on the ones place. This is my tens place. I will make 1 over there and then here 0, because no one bead is touching the pin, it means it has the value of 0. Quickly, so this is 10, and now this is 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14. What comes after 14? 15. So I will make all these beads down to make 5, because this upper bead alone contains the value of 5. So this is 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 17 18 19. Lovely, very good. Now what comes after 19? 20. Very good. So how we write 20? 2 and 0, right? 2 and 0. So on the tens place, I will make 2 beads, and on the ones place it should be nothing. Nothing means 0. So I will make 2 0 20. Right?